Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds LG TONE Free. To do this we need to use an application. So we need to install and set up this application. It's called LG TONE Free. You open it, and if you add it, you will see the same menu as I have right here. If you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add your earbuds to the application, you can check video at this channel, we have it. Now, right here at the first line we have user manual, and right here you just scroll it and you can find information for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.